In Arizona, driving is such a fact of life. I mean, there's no public transport to speak of. Riding a bicycle is very oftentimes not something that somebody can do from a practical standpoint. And so driving has become just a way of life in our city, in Maricopa County in particular. And as a result, driving privileges are hugely important. You can't differentiate just the court case. You have to look at the entirety of what we're doing, and that's representing people. Making sure that they're able to drive is a huge part of what we do. MVD takes administrative action almost immediately upon arrest, which differentiates us from the other states in the union. So in 48 states, if you get arrested for a DUI, you'll go through the court process, and if you're convicted, then there'll be some administrative sanction as a result. So MVD says, oh, you were convicted for a DUI, here's your license suspension. Arizona is different. In Arizona, the process takes place at a much earlier stage. The officer actually files a complaint or an affidavit with MVD, notifying them of the arrest. And they can do that as the minute you walk out the door with them and not even notify you about it. As a result, you have to be very concerned with individuals' driving privileges in the state of Arizona. The immediacy is actually concerning. And so our policy, overwhelming majority of times, is to request a hearing with MVD almost immediately so that we can begin the representation of our client's driver's license hearing. Simultaneously, they work almost at the exact same time as we're gathering information with regards to the court case.